Hey, Dr. Axe, I do have a question for you. You've been in practice for several years, seen thousands of patients. What's the most significant mistake a patient or even a doctor that is a functional medicine practitioner makes when going down the journey trying to get themselves better?
That's a really good question. I would say, I look at health kind of like a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
A marriage doesn't fail because, you didn't have enough date nights. It was 5, 10 different aspects over maybe years or decades that led to the failure of that relationship. Sure. Our health is exactly like a relationship. The biggest mistake people make is they expect that they're going to get one diagnosis and one treatment and everything's going to get better.
That's right.
You have this health condition because of stress, not eating right, antibiotic use, right? It's the combination of all these things over time. So with functional medicine, the secret is to treating all of those things in the right order consecutively over time, right?
Yes.
It's that strategic game, I guess you call it, going through and treating each condition, each dysfunction over time that's going to lead to people getting better. And that's the biggest mistake. They don't stick the course and they don't do it in the right order and treat the entirety of that human, right?
And Dr. Axe, I would have to totally agree, and that's what differentiates functional medicine practitioners that get very, very good results from ones that are just kind of okay. And the reason why is Dr. Axe and I both know that every patient that walks through the door has a different story.
Absolutely.
And is actually going to have a different sequence and different causes. What I like to just an analogy I like to utilize, if you're watering your flowers and 3 of your buddies come on stand on the garden hose, and nonetheless you ask them to get off, but only 2 do because the other dude's on the cell phone and he's not paying attention. That means that you've solved 2 of those problems, usually multifactorial, like you mentioned.
Exactly.
But for us to be able to get at the root cause of everything, we have to get all these problems taken care of. And that's where people will fail a lot of times in functional medicine because they're not digging deep enough or even doing it in the proper sequence.
Yeah, and they've done 2 of the 3 and they said, my energy's not coming back, my hair's not coming back, I'm not getting anywhere, and then they give up when you were right around the corner from having a breakthrough.
Literally a step away.
A step away.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
So if you ever have any questions, feel free to come in chime into our Facebook or give us a call at the clinic. Dr. Axe and I are always more than willing to get on the phone with you and answer any questions or concerns that you may have.